On March 1, 2022, ZRP Commodivai recorded a case of stock theft in which Pastor Mumpan, 24, stole 5 cattle from his mother-in-law with the assistance of his friends Emmanuel Mumpan, 24, and Lobola Sibanda, 18. The suspect paid 2 oxen to the in-laws in June 2020 as part of Lobola but has since divorced the daughter. Meanwhile, police condemns the act by the suspects as it propagates violence in communities. The ZRP reports that on January 20, 2022, 1,640 motorists were arrested throughout the country under the ongoing operation targeting unlicensed, uninsured, unregistered motor vehicles and non-complying PSVs. Cumulative arrests now stand at 9377. Police in Kadoma are investigating a case of murder which occurred on January 19, 2022 along Annex Road, Annex Extension, Rimica. The suspects, Wesley Manyika, 24, Crispin Zimbabwean Onias Tafa, 23, and the other suspect only identified as Baba Matthew, assaulted the victim, John Banda, 32, with open hands before striking him with a pick on the shoulder, following an argument over a girlfriend between the victim and Baba Matthew. The police has arrested Wesley Manyika and Crispin Zimbabwean. Anyone with information that may lead to the arrest of the outstanding suspects to report at any nearest police station. Police in Harare reacted swiftly to a robbery case and arrested Tapiwa Dube, 33, and Tinashe Gwara, 29, for attacking the complainant, 20, before stealing a cell phone as well as $300 cash, on January 21, 2022 along Cameroon Street near Magaba flyover. Meanwhile, the police is appealing for information which may assist in the investigation of a robbery case which occurred in Waterfalls, Harare on January 21, 2022 at 0200 hours. 2 suspects pounced at the complainant's home and stole $4,100 cash, 04 Samsung tablets as well as 1 cell phone. Anyone with information to contact any nearest police station. The ZRP reports that on January 21, 2022, 1732 motorists were arrested throughout the country under the ongoing operation targeting unlicensed, uninsured, unregistered motor vehicles and non-complying PSVs. Cumulative arrests now stand at 11,109. The ZRP urges the public to shun all illegal gambling activities across the country. On January 19, 2022, a Bulawayo man was fatally stabbed on left side cheek, neck and shoulder with an unspecified knife after a misunderstanding that arose from a betting pool game. The victim bled profusely from the injuries and was rushed to United Bulawayo Hospital where he was pronounced dead upon admission. Meanwhile, police have launched a manhunt for the suspect. Anyone with information to contact the nearest police station. On January 17, 2022, detectives in Mutoko received a tip-off and arrested Pepukai Kapondoro, 36, Timothy Mukotadzi, 32, Kudakwashe Kapondoro, 29, Elijah Makanganais, 43, and Kudakwashe, 26, for a spate of stock theft cases in Mutoko. The suspects stole 9 cattle from 8 villagers. The police recovered 8 cattle. #No stock theft. Following the arrest of 637 people by the police for various offenses during a raid on illegal activities at Mukaraj area in Mount Darwin between 0500 hours on January 17, 2022 and 0700 hours on January 18, 2022. Police investigations established that one of the suspects, Takunwa Mugwagwa, 26, was a wanted person for a robbery case which occurred in Bandura on August 8, 2020. Investigations are underway. The ZRP reports that on January 19, 2022, 1,896 arrests were recorded on a national operation targeting unlicensed, uninsured, unregistered vehicles and non-complying PSVs. The cumulative number of arrests now stands at 7,737. The ZRP confirms the arrest of Franklin Nube, 30, for failure to report loss of a firearm on January 19, 2022. The suspect, who is a security guard, allegedly lost a service Taurus revolver, caliber .38 SPI whilst drinking beer at Mbuyazwe Bottle Store on 16/001/22 and did not report the matter to the police. Investigations are underway. On January 17, 2022, ZRP concession arrested Shane Nyam Han, 40, in connection with a case of unlawful entry which occurred at Whitecliff Farm on December 23, 2021. Police recovered stolen items which include stolen desktop computer, HP printer, tools box, cell phones, car battery, screwdrivers, national IDs and driver's licenses for different people. A pair of police uniform, 2 pairs of handcuffs and a pair of leg irons were also recovered. The suspect is also linked to other unlawful entry cases at ZRP Shamba and Kiwaridzo. The ZRP is investigating a suspected case of murder which occurred at Ndudzo Village, Weza on January 18, 2022, where a disabled woman, 40, was found dead in her house. The body was discovered with a detached leg near the head and was half naked. It was bleeding from the mouth, had a swollen face. In another case, on January 18, 2022, ZRP Bandura Central recorded a case in which human remains were discovered at Boda Mine Kiatota. The bones were unearthed by gold panners and had no flesh. The remains were taken to Bandura Hospital for post-mortem. Police in Kenzamba are appealing for information which may lead to the arrest of Jonah Musi, 25, of Toritos Village in connection with a case of murder which occurred at Zumba 7 shops on January 17, 2022. The suspect struck the victim, Kudakwashe Malakalaka, 26, with a stone on the hand using a catapult and assaulted him with open hands, after the victim intervened to resolve a dispute over a girlfriend between the suspect and a person identified as Bento. Anyone with information to report at any nearest police station.